America is at war.
Or
Well, you the one talking about. I guess
I
you
think
still
your
stuck in the
fake
courtroom.
eyelashes are messing up.
No,
what you're
ain't
reading.
nothing.
hold on.
If someone on this committee then starts talking about somebody's bleach blonde, bad built butch body, that would not be engaging in personalities, correct?
And it is not the kind of war that you think it is. Republicans and liberals are at each other's throats, and this is over makeup. Yes, it might seem a little silly, but it really is that deep. Now, it all started when US Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene passed a comment on Texas Representative Jasmine Crockett's looks.
Or
Well, you the one talking about. I guess
I
you still
think your
stuck in the
fake
courtroom.
eyelashes are messing up.
No,
what you're
ain't
reading.
nothing.
Hold on.
Listen.
AOC quickly came to Crockett's defense.
Okay. Ms. Green agrees to strike her words.
I believe she
Chair
needs to apologize.
recognizes
No.
Mr.
She
Perry.
needs to
Okay,
apologize.
hold on. Then after Mr. Perry's going to be recognized, then Ms. Green
I'm not
has 4 minutes and
apologizing.
21
Well,
seconds.
then
Okay,
you're
reserve
not
the right to
striking your
object.
words.
I am
Mr.
not
Chair,
apologizing.
Now let's go. Come on, guys.
Why don't you debate me?
Mr. Chairman, the
it's
minority.
pretty
No,
self-evident.
Chair you're not.
Yeah, you're
out
not-
of order.
you don't have enough
You're out of order.
intelligence.
Chair recognizes Mr. Perry.
Okay, move to strike
I'd
the.
like to
I
strike
move to
those
strike the
words
lady's
as well.
words.
I would like to strike
Move to
those
strike
words
the
as
lady's
well.
words again.
That's 2 requests to strike. That's 2 requests to strike.
Oh, they cannot take the
There's
words.
another motion to strike her words again. Please
All right.
get
Okay.
your members under
Here's
control.
the correct parliamentary. Ms. Green, do you agree to unanimous consent to strike your words?
I repeat again for the second time. Yes, I'll
All
strike
right.
my words,
That-
but I'm not
all right.
apologizing.
Without objection. Without
Not
objection.
apologizing.
And Crockett was not the one to back down. She clapped back in the most iconic way possible.
Okay.
I'm just curious, just to better understand your ruling. If someone on this committee then starts talking about somebody's bleach blonde, bad built butch body, that would not be engaging in personalities, correct?
A what now?
Now, this spat has ignited an all-out war on TikTok, with several liberals donning Republican makeup to make fun of how bad it looks. Now, according to the internet, a Republican woman wears warm tone foundation, clumpy mascara, and thick overdrawn brows. Republicans responded in kind with their own take on liberal makeup: dramatic eyeliner, bold colors, and brightly colored hair. Now, the fight triggered some deeper discussions about Republican women. Several beauty trends have come and gone, but Republican makeup has stayed the same, unchanging, predictable, and heavily influenced by a classic, traditional aesthetic. It's the same look that dominated conservative beauties in the 80s and 90s, surviving through the early 2000s and still thriving in today's MAGA era. Why? Well, some say it's a reflection of traditional conservative values, sticking to a tried and true look rather than embracing change. Now, others argue that it's a look made for the Republican male gaze, whose validation is exactly what several Republican women live for. A lot of people have made a very disturbing observation as well, that Republican makeup is porn star makeup. Now, whether the resemblance is uncanny or it's a reach, we leave it up to you. Now, liberal makeup, on the other hand, is all about expressing your dissent, using bright colors, wearing your eyeliner creatively, or wearing piercings. All of this upholds the idea that individuals should have the right to challenge authority, question prevailing norms, and advocate for change without the fear of persecution. Now, this internet debate also sheds light on a very important issue. While throwing insults at liberals, Democrats stated that if their husbands wore makeup like liberal men, they would divorce them. So this brings us to an important question. Will wearing makeup makes a man less manly? Now, traditionally, masculinity has been tied to rigid gender norms, but history tells a different story. From ancient Egyptian pharaohs to 18th century European aristocrats, men have worn makeup as symbols of status and power. In today's world, masculinity is evolving beyond outdated norms. Stereotypes, confidence, character, and authenticity now define a man. So not whether he chooses to wear makeup or not. So what do you think? Does your makeup say something about your politics, or is it just another TikTok trend that we'll forget by next week? Let us know in the comments below.